Hello, experiential learners. This is Steve. I hope that you're doing really well. And I wanted to do this quick video because it appears that I have gotten off track with our weeks. We are currently in week number 7, and we seem to have totally missed week number 5. So, the reason I'm bringing up this topic is because under our week number 5 module, we are focusing on experiential learning theory, and we have a wildcard learning event that you are welcome to do for this week, an experiential learning quiz. So I thought I would take this moment to bring up our week number 5 module here and guide you through a few of the resources that we have. So you see here, we have the week number 5 module up, and whoops. And you're going to use the resources in this under this module for the quiz. So this quiz is open book. You can use any of the resources under our week number 5 module that I'm bringing up right now. So experiential learning theory was developed by psychologist David Kolb back in the 80s. You see here we have a definition of it. It is basically learning by doing or learning by experience. It's exactly what it says. And there are 4 different stages of experiential learning theory that you can see here. So the concrete experience stage is the engagement stage, I guess I would call it, or they say action phase, where you're having the actual experience in your internship. We did cover this reflection pretty deeply in this course. So the reflective observational stage is the observational learning phase, and reflecting on the experiences that you're having. And then we go to here the abstract conceptualization stage, which I would call this well, they call it the integration stage. I would call it the connection stage, where you're making connections between concepts, maybe a concept or theory from your classroom coursework to your internship and vice versa. And then finally, the active experimentation stage, which is the critical thinking stage. This is where we're really testing out theories, and we're kind of taking our learning to a whole new level. And then here's kind of a nice graphic on experiential learning. This is kind of the cycle of experiential learning that you see here. So you're going to want to use this for this week's quiz. We also have an experiential learning guide here and a few other resources for you to partake in as well that discusses a little bit more specifically the different stages or phases of experiential learning theory. So again, my apologies for missing this, but if you would like to complete the quiz for one of your, remember you have to do 3 wildcard assignments, 3 of the 6 assignments. So I think we're at our second one right now. So this is our second opportunity. You're welcome to do the quiz, and again, it is open resource. And also just putting in a plug for your mid-semester evaluations. I've gotten a couple of them back so far. We sent those out last Wednesday to your site supervisors and was giving them until tomorrow, the end of the day tomorrow, to get that in. Obviously, I'm flexible with that. I know folks are on vacation, things like that, but we want to kind of keep an eye on that. If you haven't received your results yet, that means I haven't received your results either. So, all right. Well, thank you so much for listening. Really appreciate it. And please get in touch with me if you have any questions. Take care.